Alrighty, here we have the K5HL again. It's the brand new one. It's got the Santa Fe paint scheme. See, it's got air chime on it, and you can also kind of see another way to see if it's raised letter. If you see it go over and then you see it raise in towards the chamber a bit, you can see that it does it on all the bells. However, it doesn't do that on the non-raised letter, so that's a little interesting fact. And this one's got the Ethernet chime back caps. I mean, I'm currently building up pressure, but I'm gonna bring it around 120 pounds. Oh, here we go. Alrighty, I'm gonna be doing a little decibel meter check on it, see how loud it is. I know it's currently reading the level right now. What if I put over the max? We'll see how loud this thing is. Put you underneath the tripod, and here we go. Alright, as I expected, the K5HL is in the top 3. 118.4 decibels, which is 0.2 decibels away from the K5L. So, thanks for watching.